everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a few hairstyles just to change up your look during the week if you're going to work or college or wherever you want to go and you feel like your hair is too bland. So I'm going to show you a few hairstyles that can actually pick up your hairstyle on a normal or ordinary day. So first up, you're going to need these tiny hair ties, and it is a small one and you can get this at any drugstore, Clicks, any Chinese shop, Claire's. The next thing you're going to need is clips, and if you want you can use a little bit of hairspray if your hair is very stubborn or static or anything of that sort. For the first hairstyle, if you guys have a medium or long hair and you want to add some dimension to your hair, what I like to do is create a center part, and I like to grab the first part of the center part, pick up a small piece right at the front of your forehead, and I'm going to create a braid. Now I'm going to create a Dutch braid. A Dutch braid is a regular braid, but you are passing the strands underneath the braid. Once you do your first layer, then we're going to start picking up small pieces of hair and attach it to each layer. I'm going to be picking up hair from the side of this braid. So I'm not picking up from any other side except for what's exactly near my face. So the hairline around my face, that's where I'm picking up. Make sure you guys have a good grip on your braid. You don't want it to unravel, and you also don't want to do the wrong braid, and you don't want to mix up your layers and your three strands. Okay, so once you come to the ear, I'm not going to be picking up any more hair beyond the ear. I'm just going to go straight down and continue this braid. Once I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and use my hair tie. You guys can see the hair tie is very small, so it's perfect for these small braids that you want to use. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. This was one of the hairstyles I used in college all the time. Okay, so once you have these two pieces here, all I'm going to do is make sure that the top is set neatly. I'm just going to place it right around my head like that, and I'm going to use my, you can use a pin or you can use a hair clip. You're going to need to put one pin at the edge here and another one here to secure it into place. You can easily tuck this in your hair like that, so you don't have anything showing here. So I have a pin and a clip, and I like to secure it with both. Okay, so I'm going to be placing this one above the other braid. Okay guys, the next hairstyle is going to be something a little bit different. Next we're going to do almost the same thing. We're going to grab a chunk of hair, and it is bigger this time, so we're grabbing this entire piece of hair right here at the front, split it into 3 equal sections, and we're going to do a Dutch braid. As you are doing your Dutch braid, we want to pull on the braid. So we want to give this braid some body and some volume. So keep braiding and then pull. Can you guys see that the braid is getting a little bit more chunkier? So that is the look we are going for. Once it's halfway done, you're going to secure it with a hair tie. All you want to do is pull it up to the side of your hair and make sure that the hair from the back covers the band. And then just drop your hair over the band and you're done. Okay, so once your hair is already done, you can either go out like this, and if you want a more detailed look, this hairstyle is to grab a piece of hair. It's not at the top, it is where your eyebrow and your ear meets. So the section right here, you want to grab this small piece of hair and you're going to make a small braid. And this is just a regular braid. So we're not going to tug onto this braid right here. This is just going to be a small braid just to add a little bit of dimension to the hairstyle that we're going to be creating. And this is going to be one strand, and then we're going to split this part and this part into 2 equal sections. And I'm doing a regular braid using these 3 sections. I'm going to take a hair tie. Okay, so I just took out some pieces from the front, and I'm going to take this ponytail. I'm going to create a fishtail braid, so you're going to split it into 2 equal sections, and what you're going to do is you're going to take small pieces of hair strands from either side and pass it to the opposite section. I'm going to take a piece of hair from the right side and pass it over to the left side, and take a piece of hair from the left side and pass it over to the right side. So you guys kind of get the gist of it. Continue this step until you come right to the bottom of the braid. So you can either create a more chunkier braid at the bottom, or you can leave it as is. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull out. For this next hairstyle, you want to make sure that all of your hair is brushed and evenly distributed to one side. The front has to be a side part. So I'm going to take a piece of hair, a chunk of hair from the front of my face, and I'm going to be doing a Dutch braid just like before. So I'm going to be picking up hair from the front, adding it to the braid, and slowly picking up from the back. So I'm adding small sections and making sure that it's evenly distributed. while I'm doing that, I'm going to be tugging on the braid. So my camera died, so I have to use my phone camera. So all you want to do is grab hair from the back and keep adding it to the front, and do the same thing for the front. Add pieces from your neck to one side of the braid and from the back to the other side of the braid. Okay, now we want to start making the braid as chunky as possible. Frame your face and add small pieces, and you can definitely go ahead and curl those pieces if you want. I love this hairstyle. I used this hairstyle in Cape Town when my hair was in between a platinum and a blonde. I loved it so much. I had so many compliments. I'll put a picture up somewhere here so you guys can see. And yeah, this is how it looks with black hair. One of my favorite hairstyles, especially summertime, spring. It's just so pretty, especially this chunky braid. You can add in flowers if you like, baby breath. Yeah, so many different things you can do with it.